Hello my lovelies, how you doing? It's your girl Kiki Kings, and if you're new here, please don't forget to like, share, give me a thumbs up, and ultimately subscribe to my channel. So today I have these two shoes that I would like to unbox with you guys. And as you all know, this is the almighty Bottega Veneta, and this is Vince Camuto. So I got this online and I fell in love with this design, the woven design from Bottega. And this shoe originally it's 1,500, and your girl likes to get stuff on sales, so I got it on sales. And this is it right here. Do you like? What do you think? So that's my number one shoe that I would like to show with you. And you see it's Bottega. This is size 39. Usually I wear size 8, like 38, but I got this in size 39. And this is the dust bag right here. So this is the Vince Camuto. For you guys too, back in the days, Vince Camuto, this is luxury then when we talk about shoe dazzles. I love to get Vince Camuto, Steve Madden. Those are the luxury shoes that I'm talking about 12 years ago. And I was browsing online one day and I saw this, which is from Nordstrom Rack, and it's like dupes of the real Bottega itself. They both have same design, you see. It's just that one is smaller and the other one is bigger, and one has more puffy than the other one. And this actually goes for $100, but with your girl, I'm a sales person, so I got this half off as well. So let's try these two as well. So if you guys cannot buy the real Bottega Veneta, you can actually get this as well, which will give you the feeling of you wearing a Bottega Veneta. Okay, my lovelies, thanks for tuning in with me today. Love you. Peace out.